Today, we're going to make a screwdriver. My father-in-law gave me this set of sockets and screwdrivers, and they all fit in with this screwdriver attachment, one of those hexagon drives, or hex drives. I thought I would make a handle for this. This came from an old piece of furniture. I'll use a pencil to mark off the center on both sides. I've got a little center finder. What I'm going to do is take my bradawl, place it on that center, and just push it in as hard as I can. Make a hole. That's good enough for centering it on the lathe. That's where it's going to go to. That is a nice fit. I'm going to leave that on there. So you can see this has stopped, so it's free. And when I stop seeing chips coming out, then I know it's clogging up like that, so I'll bring it out again. And there we go. I think that's more than deep enough, to be honest. We can check that again. And I will check the depth with my gauge. You can see it barely fits in there. Nice. So that's the handle. I like Danish oil personally. I'll just put some oil in there now and you'll see. Now the moment of truth, when we try and fit this into there. Straight down on a piece of wood and smack it from the back. There we go, it's in the hole. Does this work?